Hello friends, in this session we will try to solve few frequently asked questions on clocks. Concept was something that we have already seen in the previous session. So here we will be solving few questions. Three important concepts that we have seen in the last session were the speed of minute hand, speed of hour hand and relative speed of minute with respect to hour. Speed of minute hand we calculated as 6 degrees per minute, that of hour hand was half degree per minute, and relative speed of minute with respect to hour was 5.5 degrees per minute. Now let's try to do a couple of other things in this. Now let's say it's 12 o'clock and we know that at 12 o'clock both minute and hour hands are together. This is what is the position of minute and hour hand. The bigger one is minute and the smaller one is a hour hand. Now if my question is that after how much time does minute hand coincides over hour hand. Right? So you may be given any vague options like after 1 hour, which is 60 minutes, or let's say B 65 minutes, or let's say C 65 5 by 11 minutes, or D let's say 61 minutes. So in case you're not very clear about the concepts, probably you will end up getting either 60, 65 or whatever. So, but we need, nevertheless, there is a specific way of approaching this question, and that is very simple if you go logically. Fine. So let's say I want to find the answer to this question. One of the approaches is, let's say if this is 12 o'clock wherein both minute and hour hand they are together. This is what is the position at 12 o'clock. In 1 hour, that means after 60 minutes, the minute hand will rotate this entire 360 degrees and come at this position, while in 1 hour, hour hand would have come to 1 at this position. Now for minute hand to coincide over hour hand, minute hand has to travel another distance of 30 degrees, and this 30 degrees it will be traveling in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes probably minute hand will come at 1, but during that 5 minutes even hour hand would have traveled some more distance. So in case you are wondering that your answer has to be 65, it will not be 65, it will be more than 65. I hope you are understanding why I am telling you this. So how do you approach this? Two ways. One is, let's say in 60 minutes minute hand has come back to this position, and during this 60 minutes hour hand has traveled for 30 degrees and come to 1. Now what I need to do is to make this hour hand stationary. So that means from half its speed has become 0 degrees. Now for minute hand to coincide over hour hand, it has to travel a distance of 30 degrees, but not at a speed of 6 degrees per minute, but at a relative speed of 5.5 degrees per minute, because it is moving when the hour hand is already stationary. So this will come out to be 60 by 11, which is nothing but 5 by 11. So 60 minutes was already there, plus 5 by 11 will come out to be equal to 65 5 by 11 minutes. So this is a golden figure of 65 5 by 11 minutes, after which minute hand will coincide over hour hand. So after every 65 5 by 11 minutes, minute hand will coincide over hour hand. There is another approach, let me tell you that also. Maybe that is the easier one. At 12 o'clock, both minute and hour hand they are together. If you make hour hand stationary, that means its speed is 0. Now the minute hand has to travel a distance of 360 degrees, but not traveling at a speed of 6, but at a relative speed of 5.5, because I am making minute hand travel when the hour hand is already 0. So 360 divided by 5.5 will come out to be 720 by 11, which is nothing but 65 5 by 11 minutes. So that means after every 65 5 by 11 minutes, minute hand will coincide over hour hand. So this is the fourth concept which I want you to remember, that after every 65 5 by 11 minutes, minute hand will coincide over R hat. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is the fourth concept. Right.